Hi guys. Today is pretty windy out. I really should have checked it out because I have to take down my tent because I'm going on holiday tomorrow with the family. We're going to the beach for a week, and of course I have to take my tent with me. And I really enjoy right now that I have you, because I already took down the top and I only have my bed left. So it's pretty huge in here right now. It's a tent for 6 people, I think, so that's perfect for just me and of course Mulemis. But he's not gonna come with me on holiday, and I hope you will all cross your fingers that I'm gonna be successful taking down my tent in the wind by myself. But of course I'm never only by myself. I have the universe. It will help me. All will be good. And I'll just enjoy this a few more minutes before I have to take it down. It's just so lovely. I love my tent to the forest. Maybe you remember from last year, at my grandmother's place, and they took down a part of this forest. So I've got a lot of light this way now. And also we put the house up for sale. So I don't want to put a word on it. It is what it is. And now I'll just enjoy a few more minutes in my tent before everything will go perfectly, taking it down. I just felt like sharing before. Oh, yeah. Bye.